Welcome back, everybody. Starting off with the winter weather advisory for parts of the state. Generally, areas right along the Continental Divide, down Interstate 15 through about Boulder, out through Bozeman, and then through a lot of northwestern Montana. We're under this winter weather advisory going through Thursday night into Friday morning. Valleys 1 to 3, plains 1 to 3, mountains 2 to 6. This isn't a huge amount of snow, but it is snow, and it's a wide area of snow. Very likely the winter weather advisory will be expanded to include a lot of the Highline area here, including Great Falls, because I'm expecting about 1 to 3 inches of snow by Friday morning here. So we've got different intervals of snow that will be coming through the states, and the first one moves in tomorrow. On the radar, not really seeing much. May get a little light snow after midnight around the capital and just off of the Rocky Mountain front here, but the majority of the moisture is still well to the southwest. And look at this into California. Incredible amounts of rainfall. Some places could be talking about 5 to 8 inches of rain, and the mountains maybe as much as 9 to 10 feet of snow by the time we get into Monday morning here for the Sierra Nevada. So heavier precipitation off towards our southwest. Here's the forecast for tonight. Around 1 o'clock in the morning, again, maybe a little light snow if anybody's out late or up early, depending on what you think is late and early, but really it's through the morning hours that snow will begin to develop around the capital about 8, 9, 10 o'clock, and there's some light snow developing up along the High Line there as well. By noontime, we've got some moderate snow falling around the capital, some snow developing around Great Falls, and then that snow through the afternoon and evening will move up to the Highline. May even get a little break in the activity around the capital by tomorrow afternoon into early evening, but still looking at some snow here for parts of the state going through Thursday night into Friday morning. And then Friday the snow breaks up a bit. May even see the sun poking through the clouds here in the western part of the state east of the divide. And if you look closely, these little yellow lines indicate wind. Initially, the wind will be coming out of the north and the east, but by Friday afternoon, that wind should start to switch around to the west with some warmer air moving through. Look at that clearing out even by Friday evening. So snowfall amounts through Thursday, about 24 hours from now, and a large area of the High Line down through the capital, Butte, all the way down to Dillon, about 1 to 3 inches of snow, as much as maybe 5, 6 inches into the mountains here. And then through Thursday night into Friday, we'll start to see a little more of that accumulation up here along the High Line, where some locations could pick up 3 to 6 inches of snow. That's by later in the day on Friday. Here's the forecast for tonight. A little light snow off of the Rocky Mountain front. It's a cold, light, fluffy snow with temperatures down into the teens. No snow until probably tomorrow evening, northeast Montana. Right around afternoon for Lewistown, and probably about 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, starting to see some snow around Elliston and Boulder, and moving into the capital by 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. There's that snow tomorrow. Highs in the teens and the 20s, generally 1, 2, up to 3 inches of accumulation for tomorrow. Then Friday beginning to break up here, and look at some of this warmer air moving in from the west. 30s for highs, getting above the freezing point, even 40s on Saturday. So briefly warmer, not a lot of snow on Saturday unless you're up in the mountains, and windy off of the Rocky Mountain front. But then Sunday, a stronger area of low pressure could come through, continuing that snow through Sunday night into Monday, and that's when we could have the heaviest accumulation. Again, that's Sunday night into Monday. Here is the 7-day forecast for the capital. So some light snow through the morning into the afternoon tomorrow. Some snow in the mountains on Friday. Saturday, maybe a mixed rain or snow shower in the lower elevations, but later Sunday into Monday, I'm expecting another heavier round of snow, followed by yet another snow event next Wednesday. So kind of all over the place this weekend. Temperatures cold, warming up a bit, the snow getting a little sloppy, and then getting heavier Sunday into Monday.
Okay, great. I'll take that. Thanks, Curtis. And Sam, what do we got coming up next in sports?
Well, as most of you know, it is crosstown time for girls basketball.